News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Indian Institute of Information Technology Vadodara International Campus Diu, CHG Khalsa College Ludhiana, Cantonment Board Bareilly, University College of Medical Sciences, University of Delhi, Chennai Metro Rail Limited, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Delhi Pollution Control Committee, National Institute of Social Defence, Agrinovate India Limited and Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan. Indian Institute of Information Technology Vadodara International Campus Diu invites applications from Indian nationals for filling up the vacant faculty, officer and staff positions purely on scaled contract for 3 years, extendable by 2 years on annual basis with all service benefits eligible for regular employees. However, some candidates may be considered on consolidated pay contract. 8 posts of Assistant Professor Grade 2, 1 post of Chief Administrative Officer, 1 post of Junior Technical Superintendent, 1 post of System Administrator, 1 post of Junior Superintendent and 1 post of Administrative Assistant. Candidates may download the essential and desirable qualifications, experience details, general details and application form from the Institute website www.diu.iitvadodara.ac.in. Last date for receiving soft copy by email is 16th August 2021. CHG Khalsa College Ludhiana invites applications on the prescribed proforma available with the college for the following post on regular basis. 3 posts of Associate Professor Physical Education, 1 post of Associate Professor BA B.Ed, 7 posts of Assistant Professor Physical Education, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Education, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Pedagogy Subjects, Teaching of Economics or History or English. Eligible candidates in accordance with the qualifications or conditions laid down by the UGC or NCTE or State Government or Punjab University may send their application to the college within 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement through registered post or in person, and a copy of the application be also sent to the concerned authority. Applications are invited for direct recruitment of Cantonment Board Bareilly for 1 post of Junior Engineer Civil. Applicants are required to apply through online mode only through recruitment portal www.cantboardrecruit.org. Last date for online application is 31st August 2021, 23:59 hours. University College of Medical Sciences, University of Delhi invites applications in the prescribed application form from eligible candidates for appointment to 1 post of Internal Audit Officer on deputation basis or short-term contract. Last date for receipt of application is 31st July 2021 or within 2 weeks from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News, whichever is later. For details, please visit college website www.ucms.ac.in. Any further addendum or corrigendum shall be hosted on the college website only. Chennai Metro Rail Limited invites applications from qualified and experienced personnel for appointment for the following post on contract basis. 1 post of Chief General Manager Planning and Design, 2 posts of General Manager Construction, 1 post of Additional General Manager Safety, 1 post of Additional General Manager Legal, 1 post of Joint General Manager Design, 2 posts of Manager Design UG and 2 posts of Manager Design Elevated. Please refer to the detailed employment notification published in Chennai Metro Rail Limited website chennaimetrorail.org for further details regarding qualification, experience and application format, etc. for the respective post. Last date for receipt of application is 13th August 2021. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University invites applications for 1 post of JRF, 1 post of SRF and 1 post of RA in the field of pharmaceutical chemistry or organic chemistry or microbiology or pharmacology, initially for 1 year and extendable for another year. For more information, please see the website of the university www.ipu.ac.in. Last date of submitting the applications is within 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Delhi Pollution Control Committee, DPCC, Department of Environment, Government of NCT of Delhi invites applications from eligible officers or officials working in the central or state governments or autonomous bodies or statutory bodies or PSUs for the following posts to be filled on deputation basis. 1 post of Scientist C, 1 post of Scientist B, 3 posts of Scientific Assistant, 2 posts of Senior Lab Assistant, 1 post of Private Secretary and 3 posts of Steno Grade 1. Detailed information may be seen at the DPCC website www.dpcc.delhigovt.nic.in under the head Office Orders and Circulars. Applications in the prescribed format available on the website may be submitted to the concerned person up to or before 31st July 2021. Corrigendum, if any, shall be put on the official website of DPCC. National Institute of Social Defence, Delhi, an autonomous body under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, invites applications from eligible persons of central government or state government or universities or recognized research institutions or PSUs, statutory or semi-government autonomous and other organizations for filling up the following post on deputation basis, including short-term contract. The selected candidates are liable to be posted in Delhi. 1 post of Junior Research Officer, 1 post of Technical Assistant and 2 posts of Stenographer Grade 3. Application in the prescribed format available at website www.nisd.gov.in of willing and eligible officials whose services can be spared without delay to the Deputy Director Admin NISD within 40 days from the date of issue of this circular. Details of the procedure to apply, general instructions and other guidelines are available at website www.nisd.gov.in. Applications are invited from Indian nationals for appointment as Business Manager 1 post and 1 post of Assistant Business Manager on contract at Agrinovate India Limited, a Government of India enterprise under the Department of Agricultural Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. Duration of engagement will be up to 31st March 2022 and extendable for 1 year as per requirement. Detailed information for candidates containing eligibility criteria, service conditions, application format and procedure to apply can be accessed or downloaded from the company's website www.agrinovateindia.co.in. Kind attention is invited to the vacancy circular published on Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan website dated 19th January 2021 and published in Employment News from 6th to 12th February 2021 for the post of State Director or Joint Director and Deputy Director on deputation basis, for which the last date of receipt of applications was extended till 24th May 2021. The last date for receipt of application for the post has now been extended for a further period of 60 days from the date of publication of this notification in Employment News. Other contents of the earlier advertisement remain the same. For complete advertisement, application form, roles and responsibilities and other eligibility criteria, candidates may visit Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan's website nyks.nic.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.